हेलो ऑल, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे इस चैनल पर। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टॉक अबाउट PLM opportunities. So what are the various opportunities with PLM? Okay, now we have been talking about this PLM since so many hours, 4 to 5 hours. What exactly are the opportunities? Is it really worthy to talk about PLM? Are the uh, products getting benefit because of the PLM, or if there are new companies, will are they do they have any chance, or do they stand anywhere to use this PLM? Let's see. So PLM opportunity, products are always a source of opportunity for a company. If there is a product and the product is a sellable product, there is definitely opportunity that will come to the company. Opportunity may come with the same product, or its byproduct, or maybe because of another similar product that will be launched by the company. But yeah, it's because there is a product, there will be opportunity. And now globalization has increased the number of potential customers for many companies. Earlier it was like goods made in India will be sold in India only. Goods made in say European countries would be sold there only. But now since the market is open in the world, and globalization has uh, allowed the products to be sold across the borders. So the number of customers are now increased. There are so many customers all over the world who can purchase the product. PLM opportunities can be grouped in different ways. I have grouped it in these four groups, like opportunities of a growing market, where I say that a market is growing, so there is opportunity. Then I say that there is globalization, because of that there is opportunity. There are technologies, new technologies coming out, because of that there are opportunities. And of course there is something which is called a smart, and because of that there are so many opportunities for product. When I say opportunity for product, it means opportunity for PLM, because PLM is for product. So if there is opportunity for product, there is opportunity for PLM. So first opportunity is opportunities of a growing market. Now the world headcount continues to grow by more than 1 lakh per day. So every day 1 lakh people are added on the earth. Now this 1 lakh people means what? 1 lakh people means so many customers. Okay, 1 lakh people means so many customers. But where are these customers? These customers are throughout the world. And according to one survey, the world population is expected to rise 9 billion in 2050. Okay, so in 2050 it will be 9 billion customers throughout the world. Although all the customers will not purchase the product, but then the base database is increasing. The number of customers who wants product are increasing. The takers of the product, the buyers of the product, all they are increasing. Okay, so by 2050, 9 billion people would be there who will be the customers for the product. And since they are customer for the product, means opportunity for PLM. PLM will be needed to keep control of this product they acquire, because these products will be, customers will not come to the product will have to reach to the customer. Okay, suppose uh, suppose South Asia is the target, is a market, then the product has to reach to South Asia. If North America is the market, then the product should go and reach to North America. A person from North America will not come and purchase the product. The product has to reach to the customer. So PLM will be needed. So when product is so all these points which I will be discussing for product. So when I say product, again I am repeating, when I say product, it's PLM. So PLM will be needed to keep control of the product they acquire. New market creates new opportunity. New market means see, growing market is growing, market is becoming open all over the world. So industries can be set in those locations where their products have not reached up till now, and that will be a new market, and new market means new opportunity for the product. Also, you can understand now that the population of elderly people is increasing, and the population of young generation is comparatively less. Also, the population of overweight and obese people have grown rapidly, and because of corona, this overweight and obese people are increasing. New types of people, so new disease means new market for new product. Concern about health will create new market. Oximeter were not sold earlier. Sanitizer, they were hardly purchased by anyone. So all these are the new uh, healthcare products that are launched into the market, and this will keep on increasing. The masks, these are again the new product which are not there in the market. So market is growing, and apart from that, this population and this issues which are coming right now, and it is not that only because of corona these issues are coming. In next 10 years there will be some another issue, and because of that some other type of people will be targeted, and then there may be another group of people who will need the uh, don't know which product they will need, but then it is a continuous process, so this is again an opportunity. Also, as average working time drops, see in most of the countries, like in Japan also, instead of 6 day 5 day, I have also heard about 4 days. So the leisure time increases means they need some other activity to do in the leisure time. New activity has to be done. So if the customers priority to be or customers need in the free time or leisure time is identified, new products can be developed. Okay, they can be given some vacation. If people are given vacation like this, tours and travels, this is also a business. Okay, they are not giving any product, but this is also a business. I told you that there can be types of business. So since the market is growing, the first reason for market growing is the population, and second, the different types of diseases or different types of issues that are coming up, because of which the market is growing. Another point here is, as living standard increases, the market expands. Okay, the standard of living of people is increasing day by day. Earlier, if you consider the country like India, there were so many villages. Now the villages are almost converting into town. So the standard of living is increasing. Standard of living is increasing means they are also purchasing products. So since they are purchasing products, so again market has expanded. Market has been expanded, and this continues. So PLM opportunity is still there. Next is PLM opportunity for globalization. Now, PLM enables companies to take advantage of many products. Now, because of globalization, there are this technologies uh, like this industry 4.0, which includes the internet of thing, then big data, cloud computing, then mobile technology, this social platform Facebook and all these things, they are also a product. So because of the globalization, now this has been a product, and PLM enables companies to take the advantage of this. Then the globalization has led to huge opportunity. Billions of people now can benefit from products which they did not had access to earlier. Like few products were sold in few countries only. Okay, it was country based or it was need based product. Now the product is open to the market. Anyone can purchase any product online by or anyone can call for any product. They can demand for any product abroad India also. The product, if it is in America, you can simply pay and you will get the product here in India. So this has happened because of the globalization. Earlier, okay, I earlier before PLM or before globalization, I knew that okay, there is some product in some country, but it is there, it's not in India. What can I do? I cannot get it. But now it's not the case. It's possible to get the product. There are around 7.5 billion customers now in the world. So it's going to 9 billion. Right now it is 7.5 billion according to some survey. And to sell to this so many people, it is a huge market. It is a huge market. Then globalization has increased the number of potential customers for many companies. So that's what I have told you. The number of customers has increased, and also uh, it's not only the customer that have increased, the companies are also increased. Like a big scale industry, a small scale industry will get buyers all over the world. Okay, which is a small scale industry. If it is making some part of some assembly, then they are getting market all over the world. Earlier it was limited to the particular area only. So some countries or some companies may not had this opportunity earlier, but now it is available to them. Earlier the market was not open uh, for selling of product. Now it's open, so products can be sold anywhere in the world. And since the product can be sold anywhere in the world, uh, the opportunity for PLM is there. And it can be sold directly to the customer, it can be sold to the companies, it can be sold um, in bulk to the dealers or some who are purchasing in bulk. We call them as dealer. So there is no limitation uh, to selling of the product. It's not limited now. Only the thing is there should be a supplier, there is a supplier, there is a buyer, proper uh, like there should be proper understanding between the two, and the product, that is about the cost and the technological details of the product. And once that is done, the product can be sold and the product can be bought. So it's now this many customers in the world. So before PLM the opportunities were limited. It was too risky also earlier to develop new product. Okay, when a new product is to be developed, and if the sufficient market is not available for the product, then that product development is not correct. Okay, it may be at risk because no one will purchase that product. Then that will be a dumb idea to manufacture such product. Because you are because maybe the company is making a product or producing a product which is for a market which is not in the area in which the company is selling the product. Okay, and earlier it was the issue, the opportunities were limited, but now it has been increased. Now if I give you some examples, suppose if I give an example of BMW. Now this is a German company, BMW, and uh, when it started producing this car, it produced only in Germany. But right now it has around 20 to 25 sites in 12 different countries and in 4 continents. So this has happened because of globalization. Otherwise, this company would have sold the product only from there, only from Germany. Now it has plant in different parts of the world. Similarly, Toyota, its annual income around 1970s, its annual income was only 3 million. Sorry, annual sales was only 3 million. Then in 80s, it rose to around 5 millions. And now, I don't have the figure for what is the sales now, but right now it is manufacturing its product in around 28 countries. In around 28 countries. Then Another example is Coca-Cola company. Again, you all know that it has plant in our country also. So this has been possible because of the globalization only. The opportunities of global products aren't limited to just a few large companies with thousands of employees. Okay, this is also for small and medium companies also, which are having around 10 employee or say hundreds of employee only. Like for example, there is a need of any AutoCAD drawing, for example, which is to be drawn by maybe a person in Singapore wants a AutoCAD drawing to be drawn, and a person in India is giving it to him. A SolidWorks drawing is giving from here to there. Maybe someone from Japan wants a computer program, and someone from India is giving a entire computer program to that person or to that company. Okay, so it is one to one also. It's not necessary that only the big companies would gain in this. A small scale industry or one to one can also be benefited. Okay, so this is about the PLM opportunities for because of globalization. Then next is technology opportunities. Now technology it's increasing. Sorry, there is wide range of technology, new techniques that are coming, and since new technologies are opening, new market is also coming up for new product. Now, right now we are teaching you with the help of a pen and a tablet. Okay, it was not there earlier. So this is something new which has taken up it has taken the place of a conventional chalk and duster. So this is something new which has come in the market. Okay, like this there are so many things which have come in the market. Earlier, transistors were invented in around 1940s, and from here started the wide range of electronics product. Okay, and till now so many electronics products are there available in the market. Then came the computer. The computer has brought so many other things along with it. It has brought the software, it has brought the mouse, keyboard, pen drive, CD, hard disks, SMPS, the parts of the computer, and what not. Okay, it has also brought jobs along with it. Okay, so jobs are also, they are also giving some service. Some there's a company, suppose there is a XYZ company, the company is hiring some software engineer, so it is also giving service. So everything comes along with the progress in the technology. New technology comes, it leads to new product. Then biotechnology, it appeared in around 1970s, and so many new drugs have come. New drugs means again lots of products are associated with new drug. Then it has to be packed, then it has to be transported, then there are to be there should be machines to manufacture those drugs, and so on. There should be distributors and all those things. Then now towards the end of this century, nanotechnology has also been introduced in the uh, in the industrial revolution. So this is again a new field which is emerging out, and because of this again so many new products will come in the market. New products will come in the market. So again the opportunity for PLM will grow. And of course the internet. With internet there are so many things which had come, and the router, and then the different browsers, and then the different softwares, and so many things. Okay, it's the list is unending. So what I want to say here is, as the technology is increasing, new products are coming. As the products are coming, the opportunity for PLM is there. Again, there is a new thing, that is global positioning system. Okay, so many devices are needed for this global positioning system, GPS system. There is RFID technology also. Uh, because of this, it allows the product to be tagged with chip that can provide information about the product when they are scanned. Also, there are so many chips. I actually I attended one seminar, and in that I heard that the cutting tool that we use in mechanical industry, the cutting tool that we use on lathe or milling machine, the cutting tool it wears out. Then they were working. It was IIT Indore where I heard the seminar. They were telling that they are going to put a chip inside the cutting tool, and then the chip will give the status of the cutting tool, whether the tool needs to be regrind, whether the tool needs to be thrown, whether the tool needs to be used for so much hours of time, like this. So it was like this. So we don't know what can come with the with the technologies, with the technology which is advancing. Again, there are environmental requirements. So because of the changing environment, there are again some new techniques which are coming and may come, and this may again bring some new products in the market. Again, new products means new opportunity for PLM. Then the PLM opportunity for smart products. Now, what are smart products? Smart products are also known as intelligent products, and these are the products that can sense and communicate information about their condition and environment. So I told about the chip, embedded chip. So it can also be called as one of the smart product. Now, in addition to their primary functionality, they have functionality to decide or communicate about their situation or environment. Okay, they can give some information about themselves, about the product. Now maybe after some years, no, we have washing machine. Okay, earlier it was a manual washing machine, then it became a automatic washing machine, then it became a fully automatic washing machine, and now we may have after a few years a washing machine which may have a scanner, and the scanner can read from the texture of the cloth, or maybe it will read from the tag which is attached on the cloth, that it is which type of cloth and which type of washing cycle should be applied. So this is again a new product which may come. So I am going to give you some examples of product which may come in future. No one knows, but then yes, we cannot deny that. Then there can be smart packaging. There can be products which can be maybe there are eatables, some eatables, and if nearer to the expiry date, there may be some barcode, or just like litmus paper, blue litmus turns red or red litmus turns blue. There may be something attached on the packet, and as the this date of manufacturing, as the days passes, it will change its color. Or maybe there is some product which should not be kept in the hot environment, and if it is exceeding the temperature than the room temperature, it will maybe give an alarm. Okay, instead of giving a light, if instead of glowing a light, it may give an alarm. Like this can also be possible. Then smart lawn mower is also possible. What is it? Depending on the height of the grass, it will cut the grass. Okay, if the height if it is preset height, then it may check the height. If the height is that much, then it will cut the grass automatically. So it will move on its own on the entire ground, and it will cut the grass on its own without being operated by someone once it is programmed. Then there can be vacuum cleaner which can understand how much force it should apply depending on which surface it is cleaning, or how much is the dirt or dust on the surface. It may use some image processing technique to take the images, compare the images. See, everything is possible. We cannot deny the fact. So smart products are coming. So all these things can become smart. I have given you few examples. Maybe any one of this may not come, or all of them may come. We cannot say. Then there can be a smart microwave oven. Depending on which product is kept, it may decide the temperature and the timer for which like now we have convection mode, and grill mode, and all these modes may not come. It will just be a smart microwave oven. Keep a product, it will sense what the product is and what is needed to be done, and that is quite possible. Also, there can be products which can work together, not individually. Now the products work individually. There can be products which can work individually, like a toaster can be combined with a coffee maker. Like if a coffee, if a person is drinking coffee, then he may need to uh, he may need to eat the bread. So there may be a toaster, and both will work together, toaster and a coffee maker. And that can be a product which so here I am giving an example of products working together. Another example can be a bathroom water heater. So when you switch on the water heater, there can be a fog remover which will remove the fog from the bathroom. Maybe I don't know whether this product is available right now. A combined product. I am talking about combined product. But then this can come over a period. There can be again a product which will measure the body vitals simultaneously. All the temperature, blood pressure, oxygen, and all those things can be measured simultaneously just by putting our finger in as we do it in the oximeter, or maybe just wrapping something or wrapping a belt over the hand, something like that. So it is quite possible, because these are the smart opportunities which are uh, possible because of the smart products. So again, opportunities for products, so opportunities for PLM. There can be some voice applications also. Voice applications that can remind you to fasten your seat belt or limit your speed depending on what is the how condition of the road, depending on how much is the traffic. It can give the voice command to increase the speed, to decrease the speed. It may sense if there is traffic at a distance, then it may sense and it may give you voice command. Actually it's possible right now, it's there right now with the GPS system. But then improved version is also possible. So smart products have many applications, and they can work in dangerous area also. They can uh, also identify end of life part. So I told you about the chip which can be put in the tool. Okay, so it can tell that the life of the product is over now, and move to another product like that. Okay, so with every smart product there can with every smart product there is an opportunity for the PLM.